Hello, this is Dumabag Inisita with my tandem rescue man, my husband. He's gonna make us laugh or enjoy his song, and I'll be the background. Okay? Start.
It's Friday night and I just got paid. Spend my money, don't try to save. Shag on down to the Union Hall. When Clay starts jumping, I'll have a ball. Gonna rip it up, gonna rip it up, gonna rock it up, gonna have a ball tonight.
Yeah, again, what's that? Then, what's that? Go.
Friday night and I just got paid. Spend my money, don't try to save. Shag on down to the Union Hall. When the joint starts jumping, I'll have a ball. Gonna rip it up, gonna rock it up, gonna rip it up, gonna have a ball tonight.
Again, then, sing it. The dirty night and the
Just
dirty.
got paid. Spend my money, don't try to save. Shag on down to the Union Hall. The joint starts jumping, I'll have a ball. Rip it up, gonna rip it up, gonna have a ball. Gonna have a ball tonight.
That's the introduction of my part 2. You can take a rest and it's my turn. Now, that was the Friday night of my husband's song. And now, I'm going to have a continuation of my continuation of my I don't know, I forgot. Part 3, part 4, maybe part 3. Okay. So, we left, last night, we left the story, my mini autograph, mini autobiography about myself. I was staying here in the United States. Anyway, we left that we were discussing about the last time I was talking about this. We went to that commerce industry that there was dancing there, and then I met that guy. The guy was telling me that, oh, did you go? It was a scam guy. Yeah. But then my lady friend, entertained that guy. But anyway, so the part that was very funny is when we went home, and then we were all a little bit drunk, and then all of a sudden she wanted to go somewhere there to do the pee, and then all of a sudden she peed there in that parking lot. But when she peed, remember I told you last night, and then the other lady also, she threw up because she was already very drunk. But anyway, so I told you already, we came home, and then another night we go there. I mean, we went there having fun. Friday, Saturday, Sunday no more. But there might be some Sundays that we went out, but then not so many times, because usually it's Friday and Saturday. So one time we went also, I will tell you, we went also to the place, and then my friend, she's looking for a guy, and she's after of the transportation. She told me that, Nelly, we're going to, it was I forget the name. It's in Ventura and Topanga. It's I forget the name. It's Ventura and Topanga. But anyway, Montes. We went to Montes, and she said, I like a guy who's gonna have a very nice car. I want the the Lexus car, I want the Mercedes car, I want the Mountainer. She made mention about the car that's so fancy. But anyway, she said, I want a guy who has a sports car. And I told her, be very careful because they might have a good vehicle, but then we'll never know who are they really. I mean, the whole personality, we never know. But she said, no, I like that. Let's try to see if some guys are be driving those kind of car, and you know what will happen. So there was a guy there at Montes, and I told my friend, look, that guy seems so rich. That's probably your type. Um, he looks like rich, because my friend, I want a rich guy. I want this guy. I want this guy. And I told her, be very careful. Not all rich guy are good one, and not all poor guy are also good. I mean, it depends upon the person. So he said, oh, but the guy was drinking in the bar, bar and grill, and that that bar where we order some drinks and bread. And then so my lady friend she was pretty, and then she was so very what you call this, very attractive. Her her outfit was so attractive, and then she looks like a very I mean a high, we call it high society. She looks like and actually she was just pretending that to be rich, but she was not really rich. And so she went close to the guy and said, hi. And then the guy probably noticed that this lady really is looking for something. They said that I have a term that I learned from my husband. They said some ladies there, some only, not all, are looking for meal ticket. Said it's a meal. It's just they're just looking for meal ticket. So my friend she knows how to play game too. My friend said she ordered a drink, that during the time I think the red wine was only $5. Went there, and then she said, I can order. And then she looked at the guy, and I was just observing them because I'm also enjoying looking at them. She said, hi. And then the guy probably noticed that this lady must be looking for somebody else. So he said, hi, hello, hi. Then they talk. I don't know, they were talking, but according to my friend, they said they introduced herself, and then she introduced herself. Are you with somebody else? No, I'm not with somebody else. I'm alone here. But I have a friend there. That lady there is my friend. And I'm alone. So they talk. And then, you know what? The guy went to the bathroom. That was already an hour talking. They were talking about an hour or something. But the guy went to the bathroom, and then my lady friend asked me, let's go out and sing. You know what we did? We went to the car. He said, this is not his car. This is not his car. All the cars that were parked on that parking lot. We said, oh, this is not a car. Different cars, but I forgot because I'm not good in those names of the cars. I'm not good to that. So anyway, she knows that. My friends knew that, and she said, oh, this one. Oh, this is a sport car. She made mention about I don't know. She made mention about sports cars. She knows very well about sports cars and all these cars, but I don't know nothing about that. And she said, oh, this one, Nelly, this is not, maybe this is a sport car, yellow sports car. Oh, this one. So she was looking for a vehicle. That was her passion. She really loved to see if a guy was driving a fancy car. So we said, oh, come on, let's go inside now because your friend might be looking for you. So we went inside, and then the guy was already there. And then we did, I was outside, and then which one was your car? Because we were outside, and then the man told her, oh, my car is this and this and this. So she said that it's something like what is the sports car? It's a yellow sports car. But anyway, uh, the guy wanted to invite my friend, my lady friend, and I told my lady friend, no, don't go. Just dance there, and then go with him. You don't. This is the first time that you just meet each other. And then, oh, it's okay because I'll give you my phone. I'll give you. No, I just dance with him there, that dancing floor. And so they talk and talk and talk, but then the guy was telling her that there is another in front of of that that place that we went we stayed on that night. The guy said there's another place in front of this dancing place. We will go. We'll try to visit. That one's nice. The band there is very nice. So my friend said, "Oh, Nelly, this guy wanted me to be with him. We're gonna go just in front of this building, across the road. It's there." I said, "No, you better not, because we'll never know. Are you be riding on that car, his car? No, we just walk. Oh, we just walk. Okay, just walk. Just be very careful. Come back right away. Be sure, but 30-40 minutes you come back. We just gonna see the band. The band there is this. The guy said that the band is a nice band with nice music. So they went there, and then they came back anyway. Nothing happened, and then they came back, and then they have what you call this drinking. They drank, and then they dance, and the guy also ordered, and I only know that drink was red wine, something like red wine. So, and then all of a sudden, my friend, my lady friend, was telling me, "Oh my goodness, I'm so discouraged, Nelly. Why? We've been dancing and dancing when he tried to let me turn around, and then he raised his arms like that. I can smell the bad smell." And then while we were drinking, and she laughed, she just sprinkle his saliva. I'm so discouraged. This man is so nasty. I said, "See, you told me that he looks good, and you never know, that what kind of guy is that, and now suddenly you find it out that he has something that you don't like." He said, "Oh, I don't like. I'm not making any conversation. Then I have to stay away from him." She said that, and then said, "Why? She said, "I was so attractive with this guy because the way she looks. He is very neat, and he talks very, very gentle. And then all of a sudden, when we get drunk, he talks, and then he just sprinkled his saliva, and then I was wiping off my face because the saliva was all over my faces. And then we danced, ballroom dancing, and then all of a sudden, oh my goodness, all the sweat here, and then the odor, the aroma of this guy. So the aroma came to the lady, the odor of the guy came to that lady. So I said, "Oh, I'm so discouraged. I better not." I told her, "You better watch now. If you don't," I told her, "don't judge by the cover itself. You have to scan the book itself. Tingnan muna ninyo kung ano ang nasa ilalim, at dyan mo makikita ang tunay na pagkalalaki niya. Na-attract ka lang sa kanya dahil magandang magdamit, very nice guy, magdamit, at saka gentleman. Yun pala, nag-inuman na sila, nagkumakain sila, nag-order sila ng finger foods. Yan pala, yung tuwing magsasalita siya, yung palang saliva niya, pumupunta sa mukha ng babae, tapos punas lang siya na punas. So, yan ay nakapag-discourage sa babae, sa kaibigan ko. Sabi niya, learn a lesson ako. Ngayon, titingnan ko talaga. Sabi ko, huwag kang mag-jump ka agad. Don't leap right away. Sabi niya, ngayon na notice na talagang na-obserban ko na talaga. Sabi niya, from this time on, talagang aanuhin ko yung lalaki. Kasi sabi niya, attractive daw siya sa laki. Ngayon pala, mayroon palang baho, mayroon parang bunganga, tapos nag-aano ng mga saliva niya, ganyan. Tapos marami pawis dito sa kilikili. So, nadi-discourage niya. So, sabi ko sa kanya, the lesson, remember I told you that I was the oldest of the group and they listened to me. Sabi ko, kung kayo tingnan muna ninyo ang lalaki, huwag kayong mag-jump kaagad. Do not jump into conclusion kaagad na yan ay gusto ninyo dahil yun makikita niyo. Pero yun pala, you scan the pages muna. Huwag muna kayo mag-judge sa cover of the book. Anuhin muna ninyo ang mga pages ng book. Tingnan ninyo kung ano ang dyan, it's nasa ilalim niyan. Kasi alam nyo, yung nung nakilala ko yung asawa ko ngayon, tinitingnan ko ang kwelyo niya eh. Pag ganyan sinabi ko, uy, tinitingnan ko kung malinis ba ang kwelyo, ang color ba, color. So, anyway, unti-unti ko lang sasabihin sa iyo yung mga mga pangyayari sa buhay ko when I was here, I'm staying in. It's a lot of things dahil for 18-20 years, I started 2001. So marami akong masasabi at saka nag-enjoy ako dahil sa mga babaeng sinasamahan ko, pinapare ko sila. So enjoy ako. Ngayon, sa susunod na yugto naman ay iba na naman yung yung mga kwento ko. Hindi pa tayo dumating sa kwento ko nang nasagot ko na yung asawa ko. Actually, hindi nasagot na yung mga puti, hindi naman yun kagaya ng Pilipino na yung love letter, I love you, sagutin mo ako. Yung mga puti, naman yung para kayong kaibigan lang naman. Muna, kaibigan. First, you will have to be closer as a friend with him or with her. Tapos sasabihin nila, oh, you're very fun. I like you because you are fun. Oh, I like you. I'm starting to like you. You're fun. And then pagkatapos sasabihin niya, I like pa yun, ha? Like you're fun. Then it will be, oh, I love you. I love the way you do things. So, yan. Sa kalimitan, pero hindi naman lahat. I'm just not saying that lahat. So, anyway, iba na naman ang gagawin ko sa inyo bukas. Bukas, magkikwentuhan na naman tayo, okay? Thank you for watching. Tingnan ninyong buhok ko. Nagkulay-kulay na ako kanina dahil may sayaw kami, may performance kami bukas. You better watch. I'm gonna video it, mga seniors. Hindi ninyo alam kung talagang senior, hindi ninyo akala yung mga seniors pala yon. From 67 years old to 86 years old. Sasayaw kami bukas. Ibibidyo ko yan. Okay? Thank you for watching. This Dumabag Inisita.